A rough week for the banking industry.
The collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, the second biggest bank collapse in U.S. history.
SVB Financial Group became the greatest bank failure since the financial crisis of 2008.
It is the epicenter of tech startups, venture capital, Silicon Valley Bank. It is the 16th largest bank, or it was, in the United States.
Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the comparison between cryptocurrency and traditional banking. Here, we'll be talking about which one of them is preferable. Do well to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that work like money and can be used as a way to buy and sell things. They're mostly bought on sites for crypto exchange and kept in safe crypto wallets. These digital currencies don't have a central point of control, and they work very safely with little contact from people. Because of this, many people now think of them as the future of the financial industry. The world's current financial systems are banks. They help with money matters like loans, savings, and other deals. But, unlike cryptos, they have many problems because they're centralized and can be biased. They're also slower than cryptocurrencies, and some of them have too high interest rates for loans and some transactions. Most of the time, banks are closed on the weekends, so when people try to do important business on weekends and holidays, they usually encounter many problems. Banks also need to see people in person to do big transactions, which takes too much time. Traditional banking systems use different ways to get the word out about what they do. Some projects are only for certain groups of people and can't be done by anyone else. Favors are given to these groups, like easy loans, longer payment terms, and lower interest rates. Because of this, the systems end up being unfair and not including money. Many mobile banking apps can be hacked by people with the right skills. Because of this, some people lose a lot of money from their bank accounts. Fraud and theft of funds are also easy to do with these systems. These things can cause you to lose your hard-earned money. During times when transactions are made, banks charge extra fees and taxes. For example, the banks that send and receive international remittances usually charge very high transaction fees and taxes. Slow protocols make these transactions take a long time, especially when large amounts of cash are involved. Since bank transactions and financial services are based on account numbers and names, they can be biased. If a financial service issuing officer doesn't like the people who work at a specific bank, he or she can deliberately slow down transactions. Cryptocurrencies were made to fix problems with the way banks work now, so they should do a better job of making the world's financial ecosystem work better. Here are some ways cryptocurrencies can be better than banks for financial services. Cryptocurrencies, unlike banks, are not controlled by anyone but the people who use them. Because people don't interact with each other as much, biases are less likely to happen. They're safer and more reliable because it's hard to change them because transactions use anonymous ID numbers. Security concerns are the biggest problem with financial systems. Cryptocurrencies are developed on blockchain technology, which is very secure and not susceptible to hacking or other significant security risks. It's also safe from fraud, because the system handles most transactions automatically with little help from people. So cryptos can stay better than banks if they come up with ways to deal with security concerns. The blockchain networks of cryptocurrencies can also run smart contracts. These smart contracts are made so that computers can get instructions and carry them out with little help from people. Because of this, they can do a great job of getting rid of fraud and corruption, which are problems for banks. Many crypto platforms also encourage investors to do good things to build coins and ensure they grow. In turn, users and token buyers can help grow not only their own tokens, but also all tokens as a whole, by using and holding them. This brightens the future of crypto adoption and diversification, and spreads crypto's use. Using smart contracts during transactions is one way to build. Cryptocurrencies are easy to get started with. Because of this, they're easy for anyone to get, no matter their status. This is a good sign, because it means that everyone has the same chance to help the economy grow in a healthy way. Unlike banks, cryptocurrencies use automated systems that don't need a lot of interaction from people. So they can be reached at any time of day, even on the weekends and holidays. So putting them into financial systems could make them better than banking systems, because they work more of the time. In contrast to the traditional financial system, which has lines and rules to follow, the speed of transactions with cryptocurrencies is very fast. Because of this, cryptocurrencies can handle more transactions in a day than banks can. This makes them better than banks, because it gives the economy a better chance of growing quickly. Unlike banking systems, which offer almost identical financial services, cryptocurrencies are numerous and have different features. Because of this, they have more options than banks. Cryptocurrency investments can grow in more than one way at the same time, which makes them better than traditional investments. To sum all of this up, it's important to note that cryptocurrencies have benefits that banks don't have. But more must be done for them to stay in power for a long time. They need to give the world more realistic ways to deal with problems caused by banks. They're already doing it, which is a good thing. Cryptos have strong security systems that make investors feel good. They also let you make safe transactions and go faster than the old ones. So they're very important for bringing in a better, cashless financial age. But cryptocurrencies still have a way to go before they can fill all the gaps left by traditional banking systems. We're at the end of this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of our videos, and you should click the notification bell so you know when we upload something new.